ng inyong buhay. That's why, ang pinaka-importanting tao class na kailangan mong i-focus sa exam na ito ay ikaw. Okay? So you have to make sure class that you know that you have been doing this for yourself. Okay? Ngayon, yung lahat ng mga mga ini-exert ninyong effort, please make sure that you feel that these are all enough. Okay? Oo, no? Maaaring pagdating ng actual day ng board examination, pili mo kulang pa. Okay? But you have to feel enough. Okay? Because you'll never know what you're gonna get in the board examination. Tama? Okay. So always make sure, class, that you feel enough and you feel that you have exerted the effort that you need to exert. Okay? Also, class, believe in yourself. Ang sabi ko nga dito sa sa quotation ko dito sa exam, di ba? Believe you can and you are halfway there. Okay? It takes a person, okay, a very strong person, class, to believe in oneself for him to be able to achieve the things that he wants to achieve in life. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo dapat i-anchor sa ibang tao kung ano yung dapat mong ma-achieve sa buhay nito. Dapat ikaw mismo nakafocus dun sa prize. Okay? Kaya class, you have to have faith, sabi nga ni Mendoza. Okay? Sa inyong mga sarili. Okay? And also, you have to make sure, class, that you are always believing also, not only in yourself, but also in the people around you. Okay? No? Hindi ka nag-iisa sa journey na ito. Maraming tao, class, na naniniwala sa'yo, na sumusuporta sa'yo, at naniniwala, class, na kaya mo. Okay? At isa na ako doon sa mga nakapila, naka-forefront, na nag-cheer para sa'yo. Okay? I may not be in person, okay, or in physical appearance. Okay? Okay? In physical status on your actual board exam, but I am there with you in spirit. Okay? And class, congratulations to all of you in advance for giving all of the efforts that you can, okay, for this board examination. God bless you all and top that board examination. Bring home that license. Okay? And I am so proud of all of you. Okay? My dear registered nurses. Okay? Congratulations. Okay? Last 5 items.